Cleanse your liver in a few days with powerful detox juice recipe. The liver is one of our body's most important organs. It performs more than 500 bodily functions, including purifying our blood by eliminating any toxins or useless cells, break down carbohydrates and lipids, and strong substances that give our body energy such as vitamin A, D, K, and E. However, we don't always take care of our lives as we should. Our constant exposure to environmental toxins paired with our poor habits compromise its health and affects its ability to perform. A great way to keep your life healthy is through a healthy diet. Detox juices, for example, help your liver eliminate any prejudicial residue and contribute towards weight loss. If you are looking to find a natural way to detoxify your liver and shed a few extra pounds, try this recipe. It's simple and only calls for 3 ingredients that are easily found in your kitchen. Lemon. Drinking water with lemon is a great way to activate your digestive system and boost intestinal cleansing to purify our body of toxins. Parsley. Parsley is rich in flavonoids and antioxidant substances, and just like the lemon, contains large quantities of vitamin C. These properties help protect and care for your liver. Celery. Due to its diuretic properties, celery can greatly help your liver eliminate built-up toxins. Here is how to make the miracle juice. Ingredient: 3 lemons, 1 cup of parsley, 5 stalks of celery, 6 cups of water. Instructions: blend the lemon juice, parsley, and celery. Then add the water and blend again. You should drink 2 cups of this 3 times a day, always on empty stomach. A few hours after having eaten, repeat this procedure for the next 2 days for a total of 3 days.